Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial for the TouchIT Rapide interactive flat panel. In this tutorial, we will look at how to connect your TouchIT Rapide to your Wi-Fi network. First, you must insert the dongle that came with the accessories package into one of the USB ports on the left-hand side of the Rapide as you look at it. Next, swipe in from either side of the LED and choose the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the Wi-Fi option. Make sure that it is switched on, and your wireless network should appear below. If it does not, click on the refresh icon. When your wireless network appears, click on your network to select it and then enter the Wi-Fi password. Once entered, click on Add. Your network should now appear at the top of the list. If you click on it, it will give your connection status, and when you head back to your main settings menu, it will show as connected. Thanks for watching!